guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are subscribed to my channel, welcome back. And for those of you who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing a bag switch. I have been dying to use my Pochette Metis in the Rose Freesia. I have not used it at all yet. I'm so surprised that I have not used it yet, but I am going to switch around my bags from my NeoNoe to my Pochette Metis in the Rose Freesia. I don't really buy everything in pink, but in this case, I really love how beautiful the Rose Freesia is in the NeoNoe. The pop of color on the strap and also in the interior of the bag is just so beautiful. And in the case of the Pochette Metis, I have tried the monogram canvas. I used it for almost 2 years and it cracked on me and they deemed it defective. I tried it again with a reverse monogram Pochette Metis. I had it for a year, but I didn't use it a lot and it still ended up cracking. So I am trying the Empreinte and hopefully I'm not gonna have any problem with this one. It is so luxurious and I can't wait to use it. So today I'm gonna switch my bag from my NeoNoe to my Pochette Metis. So if you guys are interested, keep watching this video. This is going to be a little tricky switching this to the Pochette Metis since I have like a few things that is in there. I probably won't be able to transfer some of the contents of this one into the Pochette Metis. I'm just going to transfer the ones I'm actually gonna be using every day. I still have some stuff here that was from the Philippines, so this is a good way to get rid of some of those stuff and then transition to a much smaller bag. So the Pochette Metis is definitely a much smaller bag compared to the NeoNoe. So here is my NeoNoe and let me go ahead and get my Pochette Metis. So my Pochette Metis actually, you guys, is still inside the box. Let me just go ahead and take it out of the box and I'll be right back. So I did take out my Pochette Metis out of the box already. Look how pretty that is, you guys. It is just so gorgeous. It's not really that bright. It almost looks like a muted hot pink. So here it is. It has the leather pull here. That's just the same as the first generation Pochette Metis when it first came out. So let's go ahead and transfer the contents of my NeoNoe into my Pochette Metis. So here is how the inside look. It also has a beautiful Rose Freesia interior. So let me go ahead and do that. There's no way I'm gonna be able to show you guys this without putting this bag on my shoulders. So let me just do that. So here is my Christmas animation in the monogram. I'm gonna put it in one side of the bag. I'll probably do that here since the compartment in the middle is a little bigger, so there. So next is my key clay. This one I'm using as my small wallet. I have a lot of cards inside of this. So I'm gonna put it here right next to the mini pochette. And another key clay in the Damier Ebene. The first one was a monogram key clay and this one is my Damier Ebene key clay. I'm using this one as my key holder, so my keys are inside of this. You can see it's a little tight in there, but it still fits. And the stitches are not actually pulling. Nothing's pulling whatsoever. So I'm gonna put it there right next to the mini pochette. Having the poof there is a little tricky, so I might very well just take out the poof and put this here with the other one. So that is how it looks right now. This compartment is empty and this is empty and I still got some room there. So the next one is my feminine stuff. I am not sure yet if I'm going to bring this with me, but I will put it in here. I'm putting it there. And the next one is my sunglass case. I am using my Sperry Top Cider case, but the one inside here is a Christian Dior sunglasses. And I'm putting it here in the other compartment. So it looks like that. So the next one is just a couple of small stuff that I have. I have a gum in case I get nauseous and I need a gum. and I have my hand sanitizer and then my ball pen and also my fan. Always make sure I have a fan with me, especially now that it's hot outside. Sometimes I can't stand the heat. At least I have a fan with me so I can keep myself cool. So there you go. There is still a lot of room. I will probably put this here so I can just easily take that out, and my hand sanitizer will fit here perfectly. There is still room there. And my gum, I'll put it together with my clay. Since I don't always use my pen, I can put this underneath on the bottom of this first compartment. So right now it looks perfect. There is still a lot of room in here. As you can see, I can still put some stuff in there. So this is a good thing. I have not put anything yet on here. This is probably where I'm going to be putting my phone in the back compartment. There's nothing in there. So my phone is what I use to film my videos, so I cannot show you it. But I do have another phone that I can show you, and I will put it in the back part. So that is how it looks like in the back with my phone. It looks like there's nothing in there, but my phone is actually there. And let me try to close this up for you guys. So here is how it looks. It's not really pushing this so much, so that means it is not really that packed. But I do have some stuff still inside my NeoNoe. Let me show you guys it. So here is the inside of my NeoNoe right now. There's tissues, there's feminine wipes, there is disinfectant wipes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this inside my bag. I'll probably put this one in the small bag for the diapers and the changing stuff for the baby. That's probably where I'm gonna put this extra ones. I already have some wipes inside my pouch for my personal stuff, so that is okay. The only thing though that I've not removed yet and taken out from my bag are the ones that's inside the small compartment. These things are probably gonna go to the back part of the Pochette Metis, which I didn't put anything in there yet. So the ones that I'm gonna be moving from that compartment is my lip color, my blotting paper, and also my lip balm and a scent. So I usually bring a couple of small scents with me, but since I am transitioning to a smaller one, I'm just gonna put one scent inside my Pochette Metis. This is the Leger Salive. This is the new scent from Louis Vuitton. I actually do like the scent of this one, but I don't like that it does not last as long. So let me put them in here. So here is the back compartment. I'm gonna put these things inside of here, since these are the ones that I want to be able to easily use if I need to, and my blotting paper, and then the scent, the travel scent that I bring with me all the time. So that is that, you guys. See how perfect that was. It didn't even like stretch out the back pocket. I love that. And yeah, that was it, guys. That was my bag switch from my NeoNoe into my Rose Freesia Pochette Metis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.